Fleet Services by Cox Automotive has more than 1,500 technicians, roughly 1,200 of whom are mobile, and last year, those techs completed over 900,000 repairs and serviced over 13,000 customers.
At the time of acquisition, our team that was Dickinson Fleet Services, who did primarily preventive maintenance and mobile emergency road service, was about 700 mobile technicians at that time, and about total, if you include the shops, 800 repair and maintenance technicians. Today, there are more than 1,500 technicians, roughly 1,200 of whom are mobile. Those techs completed over 900,000 repairs and serviced over 13,000 customers. One of the things that we've done really well in those first couple of years is growing our business through organic growth as well as M&A. And we've added on some great product lines and business names like Trudell, Northeast Great Dane, and that's the largest Great Dane dealer in the country. We brought on MobiCare, a regional down in Florida, CMS over in Houston, servicing all sorts of clients, but main client of theirs is Home Depot. And we continue to look for opportunities to invest in not just our business and to make sure that we're growing organically, but also focused on opportunities to bring on other good teammates from around the industry.